The quiet early dawn, the mountain breeze a soft tune. Clouds drift slow like ancient tales, guiding the soul to rise soon. Me close me eyes, me feel the peace, the heartbeat blend with morning air. A meditation through nature's voice, healing the mind from every care. Stone pathways echo memories old, footsteps mix with timeless sound. Songs from elders whisper low, carried by the earth around. Me walk along the winding trail, spirit calm like river flow. Every leaf a sacred sign, teaching truth we need to know. The hillside glow with golden shine, sunlight paint a mystic view. Cedar scent a kiss me face, turning thought for something new. Me feel the universe align, every breath a cosmic link. Through the presence of the land, we find more clarity if you think. Whisper of the hills, guide me way, show me strength through night and day. Carry me when times get rough, hold me heart when life feels tough. Whisper of the hills, keep me strong, teach me where my soul belong. Nature song, I lift me high, bless me path beneath the sky. Me hear the wind craft melody sweet, storytelling in its tone. Voices ancient rise again, proving we never walk alone. The horizon stretch out wide, full of promise, full of grace. Every moment build me up, steady in me inner place. Down below the valley bloom, colored waves of living art. Birds move soft like floating dreams, soothing even troubled heart. The world may shift but here me find stillness woven deep and true. A sanctuary untouched by noise, where my spirit start to know. Hold the breath, feel the breeze, calm the mind, find the ease. Let the mountain guard your light, keep your vision shining bright. Every echo, every tone, strengthen you from flesh to bone. Whisper of the hills, guide me way, show me strength through night and day. Carry me when times get rough, hold me heart when life feels tough. Whisper of the hills, keep me strong, teach me where my soul belong. Nature song, I lift me high, bless me path, feel lift the sky. So when the world feel heavy still, remember the hillside call. Let the calmness wrap your soul, lifting burdens big and small. In the silence of the land, you find the truth you seek inside. Whisper of the hills remain, always here for be your guide.
Ay, ay, ay. The river wake before the sun, rolling deep with ancient grace. Water sparkle like living gems, dancing soft in sacred space. Me sit on the river bank warm, feeling time just drift away. Nature hold me gently close, bringing balance to me day. The Riverstone cool and smooth, shaped by journeys long and wide. Every corner mark a tale, carried through the timeless tide. Me dip me hand in the waves, sense the rhythm of the stream. Life remind me what it teach, nothing constant as it seem. Me watch the water curl and spin, carving stories through the sand. Every ripple speak of hope, traveling across the land. A harmony of crash and calm, blending strong with peaceful flow, showing how true strength can be soft, just like river currents go. Riverstone, echo flow, guide the heart and help it grow. Carry burdens down the line, wash them clean in humble shine. Riverstone, echo deep, secrets that the water keep. Hear the message as it glide, wisdom moving with the tide. The river play a gentle song, tapping beats and roots and logs, calling creatures small and large, turtles, fishes, birds and frogs. Me feel connected to it all, like the river speak me name, telling me to trust the path. Even when life twists the game, further down the water widen, greeting banks with mighty sweep, reflecting light from skies above. Resting moments calm and deep, the river teach me patience slow, show me how to bend not break. Every flow a sacred move, every ship a chance for wake. Let the water guide your mind, leave the heavy things behind. Let the current free your soul, help you find your highest role. River wisdom never lie, truth reflected in the sky. Riverstone, echo flow, guide the heart and help it grow. Carry burdens down the line, wash them clean in humble shine. Riverstone, echo deep, secrets that the water keep. Hear the message as it glide, wisdom moving with the tide. So when trouble cloud your view, walk to where the river run. Let the flow restore your peace, shining bright like morning sun. Riverstone, echo call, follow gently where it lead. In the water's endless voice, you find everything you need. Ah.
Ay, 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 give me this sweat, kaya man. Waves rolling with hypnotic sway, hitting shore in rhythmic ease. Me stand firm beside the sand, feeling messages in the breeze. Salt scent wrap me like a cloak, calming every restless thought. Ocean drum beat ancient song, teaching lessons never bought. The tide embrace the sandy floor, shaping patterns wide and clean, marking stories left behind, hidden things we never seen. Me feel the pulse of distant worlds, traveling through the foamy crest, showing how connections deep always live inside the chest. A gull fly low and cry a tune, echo stretch across this space, mixing with the ocean roar, sending healing through the place. All the waves are chanting time, sinking perfect eat together, forming harmony so strong it lift me heart like feather. Ocean drum awakening, calling souls to rise and sing. Every crash a message wise, flowing through the open skies. Ocean drum steady roll, cleansing edges of the soul. Carry doubts far out to sea, set the inner spirit free. Me walk deeper in the foam, cold but soothing to the skin. Like the waves that wash me worries, cooling everything within. The horizon stretched so far, promising a world unseen, guiding eyes to look beyond, past the places we have been. A sudden breeze lift up the surf, sparkling trails across the blue, painting lines of living art, shaping visions fresh and new. Me let the silence fill me heart, blending with the ocean tone. Every rhythm, every wave, speak of courage we must own. Let the water lift your mind, leave the heavy thoughts behind. Feel the current shape your view, bring renewal shining through. Every swell and every break, give you strength in what you make. Ocean drum awakening, calling souls to rise and sing. Every crash a message wise, flowing through the open skies. Ocean drum steady roll, cleansing edges of the soul. Carry doubts far out to sea, set the inner spirit free. So when life get loud and wild, walk beside the ocean's beat. Let the rhythm calm your heart, grounding you from head to feet. Ocean drum forever play, lifting burdens one by one. Guide your spirit through the storm, till the brighter day is come. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, man. Who give me the beer, pasta, sit? We wake up to the mountain cry, birds them sing under the sky. We now whisper through the leaves, life ja weave. The new pan style, me feel the tone, earth no alone. Every heartbeat from the ground, sacred sound. Me hear the river talk at night, flowing with your light. He tell me truth, me can't ignore, we need to love more. We see the trees, reach for sun, our life one. Me chant for healing, chant for beats, make it cease. We see mankind lose the way, destroy what just stay. Them poison the land, the air, the sea, forget your decree. But still the earth forgive and give, teach how we live. She cry but still she sing again, wash away pain. Chant of the earth, rise and sound, circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand, heal the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well rhythm sweet. We chant for balance, chant for love, Jah above. Every raindrop tell me so, let it flow. We walk through field of green delight, soul feel light. We see the rainbow bless the sky, spirit high. Earth a temple, sky the dome, we all home. We give thanks for every day, Jah way. Listen close, the earth still speak in the mountain peak. In the breeze, the song still true, calling you. No war, no greed, can't stay, earth find a way. Ooh, 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 ooh. Chant of the earth, rise and sound, circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand, till the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well. Chant of the earth, rise and sound, circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand, till the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well. Chant of the earth, rise and sound, circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand, till the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well. Chant of the earth, rise and sound, circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand, till the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well. Chant of the earth, rise and sound, circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand, till the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well. Chant of the earth. Ay, ay, ay. Smoke with stars, sit on the rasi, come on. Me digging on me hand down, inna the grove. Tears fed cast, heartbeat soul. From the soil come life again. Wash away the pain. Every seed a story told of love gold. Roots are grow beneath me feet. Jah rhythm beat. We see the chains are falling there. Them still there in a modern way. Them use the media, use the life, it blind the eye. But me no bow, me no yield, Jah me shield. Me plant me truth in fertile land with your hand. Me fertile land with your hand. Me fertile land. See the youths them searching still. We break the system's will. Them tired of the poison talk. Them ready fi walk. Roots of freedom start to spread from every dread. It rise through pain, it rise through flame, Jah reclaim. Rise through flame, Jah reclaim. Rise through flame, Jah reclaim. Roots of freedom grow and rise. Break through the lies. From the ashes come the bloom. Light up the gloom. Roots of sweat got deep and strong. Right what gone wrong. Inna the earth Jah wisdom live. Love forgive. Me feel the wind blow through the leaves. Truth Jah weave. Them try cut down the sacred tree, but Jah decree. The truth hold memory strong. An ancient song. Freedom not just come by word, it must be heard. Me see the elders gather round, feet firm and ground. Them teach the youths fi plant again, rain after rain. Them say old firm don't lose faith, freedom create. Roots connect we all as one under the sun. No fire can burn it down, no king, no crown. Roots of freedom live forever, bound by Jah river. It twist and turn through every heart, never part. Roots of freedom grow and rise. Break through the lies. From the ashes come the bloom. Light up the gloom. Roots of sweat got deep and strong. Right what gone wrong. Inna the earth Jah wisdom live. Love forgive. Roots of freedom, eternal flame. Call Jah name. Through the struggle, through the fight. The struggle through the fight, hold the light. The struggle through the fight, hold the light. So when me gone, me roots remain through joy and pain. Freedom grow from seed of love, blessed from above. Blessed from above. Blessed from above. Blessed from above. morning light break through the cloud, Jah call me name out loud. No matter how the night was long, me rise and sing me song. Me fall, me stumble, me cry, but still me try. Jah pick me up when me low. Teach me love for grow, every scar become a flame. Jah rewrite me name, no fear, no shame. Me rise again, me see the storm pass by. Jah dry me eye, the struggle shape me strong. Me know where me belong, me give thanks for every pain. It bring the rain from the seed of sorrow bloom. New life consume, rise again. My people rise, lift your heart to the skies. Your light never fade, new world soon made. Rise again, no fall. Your love conquer all, every dawn begin. Me rise again. Na 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 na. Me look on the crowd unite, me see the future bright. Every youth hold faith, never too late. The fire in my soul make me whole. Me chant for the broken, words unspoken. Me plant the hope deep in the ground, love all around. Jah teach me how to mend, till the very end. From the ashes grow, blessings overflow. Jah never leave we side, faith be the guide. Jah never leave we side, faith be the guide. Jah never leave we side, Jah never leave we side. Hey, rise again, me people rise, lift your heart to the skies. Your light never fade, new world soon made. Rise again, no fall. Your love conquer all, every dawn begin. Me rise again. Na 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 na. So when the night return, let the fire burn, let the fire burn. Rise again, my friend. Love never ends. Let the fire burn, let the fire burn. Rise again, my friend. Love never ends. Na 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 na. Ay ay ay, say a reggae, yeah man. Whoa. Before the dawn, me hear a sound rising from the holy ground. Drum beat echo through the plain, wash away the pain. Me close me eyes, me spirit fly under just sky. Every thump a heartbeat true, ancient calling to me. Hear the echo of the slave, me hear the courage of the brave. Them ancestors still a talk, guiding every walk. Each rhythm carries strength and truth, light for the youth. When the drum beat call me name, me answer flame. Me see the people gather round, feet moving pon sacred ground. Them clap, them sing, them pray for peace, for Babylon release. Every sound a healing tone, from flesh to bone. Drum no lie, it tell Jah way. Night and day, soft the drum, call we home. Beat for the last and lone, carry the word, carry the flame. All in Jah name, voice of the drum, mighty strong. Right erase the wrong, rhythm pure like morning dew. Guide we through, me feel the spirit move me soul. Drum restore control, it chant for justice question for right. Turn darkness to light. Each echo tell me just still near. Me feel no fear. Me let go pain, me let go pride. Truth inside, me know the drum come from the earth. Sound of rebirth, it speak a language words can't tell. Sacred as a bell, from the roots to the crown of man. It reveals your plan, every beat a living prayer. In the air, when the world grow cold and numb, listen to the drum. It teach we unity, teach we grace. One heartbeat, one race. No division, no more fight. Only light. Voice of the drum, call we home. Beat for the lost and lone. Carry the word, carry the flame. All in your name. Voice of the drum, mighty strong. Right erase the wrong. Rhythm pure like morning dew. Guide we voice of the drum, eternal song. Keep the people strong. Let the world remember still Jah holy will. Me rest me hand pon skin and shell. Hear the story well. Voice of the drum, never done. Beat till kingdom come.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Morning gold, touch my face, warm in every weary bone. A signal that a brighter path, ready fi become me own. Me stretch me arms, me breathe the light, feeling strength return again. New beginning shape the day, chasing out the past old pain. The streets awake with fresh ambition, footsteps tapping hopeful beat. Me walk slow but steady forward, grounding courage in my feet. Everything around me shift, turning pressure into fire, helping me fi climb above doubt. Rising steady, rising higher. Me watch the skyline greet the dawn, painting colors bold and sweet. Every shade a different blessing, every tone a victory meet. Me hold me dreams like precious gold, guarding them through storm and trial. Knowing greatness built through patience, mile by mile and while by while. Golden step, rising high, reaching far across the sky. Lift the spirit, break the chain, wash away the darkest strain. Golden step, rising true, shaping futures bright and new. Every moment, every stride, keep the fire strong inside. The day unfold with lively spirit, open doors me never see. Me find courage in my journey, pushing boundaries fi be free. Obstacles may try fi block, but me heart refuse fi sway. Strength a building every moment, lighting up a brighter way. Me see faces full of hope, moving onward with the flow.
sunrise bring a chance. Time for shift, time for advance. Let the courage lead your day. Keep the shadows far away. Golden step, rising high, reaching far across the sky. Lift the spirit, break the chain, wash away the darkest trend. Golden step, rising true, shaping futures bright and new. Every moment, every stride, keep the fire strong inside. So when doubt come creeping slow, remember how you rise each time. Look within and see the glow, beating strong in steady rhyme. Golden steps remain your guide through the trial and the test. Lift your mind and heart above, walking forward truly blessed. And Rasta man, reggae, yeah, man. Me hear the river call me name, wash away the pain and shame. Water pure flowing strong, carry my soul along. Me walk through valley low, still Jah love a glow. The burden heavy on me chest, Jah give me rest. The current lead me home, no man walk alone. Every drop of memory, freedom energy. Me see the children play by shore, laughter open every door. Me feel the healing breeze, set me spirit at ease. No chain can hold me down. Me wear the righteous crown. Me float upon the wave of grace, peace upon my face. River of freedom flow, carry the love we know. From mountain high to sea, just spirit set we free. River of freedom strong, guide we journey long. Every heart must find Jah peace divine. Me see the reflection clear, truth conquer fear. Me wash me sorrow clean, new life me dream. Each ripple sing Jah song, where we all belong. Me dive into the stream of light, darkness lose its fight. Me feel the world renew, just shine through. Me chant for every nation, pure salvation. River deep and wise, mirror the skies. Jah call me near, no more fear. River of freedom flow, carry the love we know. From mountain high to sea, Jah spirit set we free. River of freedom strong, guide we journey long. Every heart must find Jah peace divine. Elevate and elevate your man. May the people chant tonight, truth shining bright. One rhythm, one soul, one way. Jah guide way every day. Me stand in the crowd so wide, love on every side. Me feel the beat of unity. Jah melody free. Me no care about fame or name. Only the righteous play. One voice for the nation. Pure vibration. Me see the warriors stand strong. Me hear the ancient song. From Africa to the world. Freedom unfurled. Your children spread the sound. Roots profound. Each lyric plant the seed of Jah creed. Yeah. One voice, one song. Me sing it all night long. Jah harmony sweet. Make the soul complete. One voice, one song. Together we belong. Love for every man. Jah master plan. Me feel the drum beat deep inside. Spirit collide. Me see the elders swear. Praise Jah every day. Music kill the pain. Wash away the chain. Me chant for the youth them rise. Open them eyes. Each note a revolution. Pure solution. Jah message carry far. Like a shooting star. Sing it loud, sing it clear. Jah always near. No division, no fight. One light unite with them, one voice, one song. We sing it all night long. Jah harmony is sweet. Make the soul complete. One voice, one song. Together we belong. Love for every man. Jah master plan. When the stage light fade away, Jah music stay. One vibe, one song, forever born.
Zion reggae, yeah man. Zion reggae, yeah man. Me wake before the morning rise. Send me prayer up to the skies. Me thank Jah for the gift of life. Shield me from the Babylon strife. Me kneel on earth, me touch the ground. Feel Jah power all around. Rootsman prayer, strong and pure. Jah love forever sure. Rootsman prayer, inna the dawn. Jah keep the righteous strong. Every word I seed me sow. Inna Jah garden make it grow. Me pray for youth, me pray for poor. Me pray Babylon fight no more. Me pray for rivers, pray for trees. hear the cry of all. Lift we up from Babylon dust. Guide we in the righteous trust. Rootsman chant, we set we free. Open eyes, we truth we see. Food and feed the ranks. Every blessing, big or small, Jah deserve them one and all. When the stars light up the sky, Rootsman Prayer still flying high. Till the morning break again, me call Jah holy name. Rootsman Prayer inna the dawn, Jah keep the righteous strong. Every word a seed me sow, in a Jah garden make it grow. From sunrise till the night is near, Rootsman Prayer still ringing clear.
Bada bim, bada boom. OG cushion a me lung, yeah man. Rise up, children of Jah. Money light, break the law. Babylon, wall can't stand. Zion lion, guard the land. Hear the roar, inna the drum. Rasta know the king of the come. Strength of root, fire of flame. Every heart chant your name. Me see the banner rise so tall. One roar for freedom for all. Lion of Zion, strong and free. Guide the people cross land and sea. Stand firm, no fear, no chain. Lion roar, wash out the pain. Forever strong, forever true. Lion of Zion, carry you. Ancient word in a modern time. Truth still shine, mountain climb. Youth man, hold the torch so high. Zion lion, never die. Every roar, a holy song. Carry the weak, make them strong. One love, banner wave so tall. Just salvation for all. From desert sand to ocean shore, Zion lion, roar once more. Roar, roar, hear the thunder call. Lion of Zion, protect we all. True stand firm like solid stone. Never leave Jah throne. Echo loud in the earth and sky. Lion of Zion, never die. Lion of Zion, strong and free. Guide the people cross land and sea. Stand firm, no fear, no chain. Lion roar, wash out the pain. Forevermore, the lion lead. Plant of love, righteous seed. Lion of Zion,
meditation deep in the jungle, yeah man. Early morning light creep through me window. Birds are sing sweet hymns in the meadow. Me stretch me arms to the rising sun. Another day fi chant, another day begun. Me plant me foot on sacred earth. Me know Jah love from even birth. Me give thanks for the breeze and tree. Me give thanks for the life in me. Me light me chalice, me sip me tea. Me mind clear like Caribbean Sea. Me no run down hype nor goal. Me walk the path them ancient stole. One love still lives in each breath we take. Even in a system that try to fake. Roots still grow and heart still beat. Truth still walk down Zion Street. One love still lives through drum and bass. In a Rasta chant and Jah embrace. From Kingston town to Mount Zion Hill, the fire still burn and always will. Me remember me youth and them reggae nights. The rhythm and a kind of full moonlight. Me father play vinyl and close him eye. Bob voice echo, no woman no cry. Me hold them words like sacred prayer. Them carry me soul through worldly fear. Me nah need fame nor diamond chain. Just a little spliff and roots again. Me walk the road with humble pride. Me link with nature, Jah by me side. From waterfall to highest pine, me feel the universe align. One love still lives like fire in a breeze. Blow through leaves and whisper peace. Me see it shine in every face. Me feel it deep in drumbeat bass. One love still lives, no system can kill. It rises in silence, strong and still. Me chant it loud, me sing it true. Me pass the flame from I to you. Imagine earth with no more war. Just sound systems under star. Elders tell story, youths them learn. Fire burn bright, but now fi burn. Me vision clear, a village wall, where man and woman live in soul. Me hear Naya Bingi in a breeze. Me see just smile between the trees. Me share me fruit, me share me bread. Me bless the table where I'll get fed. Me no judge man by rank or race. Me only look upon art and grace. So me chant rise up, oh children true. The world await the light in you. Smoke your herb, but open your mind. Look inside, your heart will find. One love still lives. Now me close me eye, me see the flame, it never die. It just change name, sometimes Bob, sometimes Jah. Sometimes me brethren from far, but always love. Deep and wide, it guide me steps, it walk beside. So if you're lost or full of fight, play this tune in the night and feel it rise. From soul to sky, cause one love still lives, it never die.
Aye, aye, aye. Kaya reggae music, yeah man. Me climb up the mountain top, Jah hear me call. Every step me ride, me closer to the sky. Me walk through valley pain, still me remain. The stone beneath my feet make my spirit complete. Me fight for the truth, me see. Jah walk with me never lose my faith. Jah love create. Me look down on the plain, see mankind insane. The greed and hate them grow, but me still know love are the real key, set we free. No man can block Jah way. Me pray each day. Where you ground me see, where the humble speak, where the humble speak. Me climb through thunderstorm, still Jah keep me warm. Every struggle build my soul, make me whole. Me feel Jah wine caress, my soul bless. Me see the sunrise bright, pure delight. Me chant for every soul, reach Jah goal. Me lift me hand to sky, never say goodbye. Jah guide the climb I trod, me trust in God. One step, one song, carry me along. Higher ground me see, where the humble speak. Jah mountain pure and wide, me trod inside. Higher ground me find peace in my mind, peace in my mind, peace in my mind. No chain hold my bones, Jah higher ground. So when me reach the top, me never stop. Jah glory surround, me rest on higher ground. Higher ground.
Na na na, meditate and elevate your mind. River flow from holy ground, Zion water heal profound. Wash away the hurt and pain, make the soul feel whole again. Every drop a song of peace, every wave make hate decrease. Come ye thirsty, drink and live. River of Zion, always give from spring to stream to mighty sea. River of Zion, set we free. River of Zion, pure and wide, carry the people like
Silver stream flow from the stone. River sing a righteous stone. Washing scars from ancient days. Carry souls in holy ways. No more thirst, the drought is gone. River chant the freedom song. Flow eternal, wide and deep. Rivers guard the truth we keep. Underneath the morning sun. River blessing everyone. Cool the fire, cleanse the land. River guided by John. No corruption, no decay. River wash them all away. Every nation bow and see. River flow for unity. Mountains bow before its tide. River strong and sanctified. Fisherman upon the shore. Hear the water speak once more. Secrets carried to the sea. River whisper prophecy. Every current pure and bright. River flow with Jah delight. Through the valley, through the plain. River heal the earth from pain. Roots them drink, the flowers grow. River teach what we must know. Babylon fortress feet to stand. River claim the holy land. Voices rise, the chant is clear. River said the truth is near. Da 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 da. Generations gather round. River make the holy sound. Everlasting, strong and free. River guide eternity. No more sorrow, no more fight. River shine the morning light. Flowing forward, never end. River rise, the soul transcend. Flow, flow, mighty stream. Carry on the righteous dream. Shine, shine, crystal bright. River guide the holy light. Rivers of redemption, wide and pure. Carry truth that will endure. Flow forever, never still. River move by Jah will. Strong and endless, bold and free. Rivers bring the victory.
Rasta man is so higher man, higher man, higher man. Oh, me sit beside the flowing stream. Just show me vision in a dream. Water whisper ancient song. Me spirit strong. Every drop of healing prayer. Love fill the air. Me close me eye, me soul align. Flow in Zion time. Me walk long road of faith and fight. Search for truth, find light. Them tell me hope done gone, but me still hold on. Me see the tears from people's face. Them searching grace. Yet the river wash them pain. Life again. Me see the children play by shore. Laugh forevermore. Them no know the chains before. Them born for soar. The river carry story deep. Secrets Jah keep. Every ripple chant his name. Eternal flame. Eternal. me heart whole, carry me spirit to the light. Wash away night, river of Zion, gentle and strong, right all wrong, flow through the land of man, part of Jah plan. Me dip me hand in sacred stream, feel Jah redeem. Water cold but fire burn, truth return. Me see reflection, see me past, fade at last. Jah mercy deep like ocean wide, love inside. Me follow river through the plain, through giant pain. It led me home to holy place, full of grace. The fish them swim, the birds them sing. Creation king, all life flow one way same. Jah name. Me no fear no drought, no storm. River keep me warm, from the mountain to the sea. Jah carry me, when me weak me call his song. It make me strong. River of Zion, flow through me soul, make me heart whole, carry me spirit to the light. Wash away night, river of Zion, gentle and strong, right all wrong, flow through the land of man, part of Jah plan. River of Zion, don't ever end, me eternal friend. Jah truth like water clear, always near. Me rise, me bow, me give Jah praise for the endless days. River of Zion, run forevermore. Me heart secure. Na ganja and Zion Reggae. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Me rise pon morning breeze, heart at ease. Jah whisper in me ear, fear no fear. Me step through valley, me stand tall. Hear Jah call, me spirit roar, me voice declare truth everywhere. Me see the wicked build them throne, pon people bone. Them rule with lies and golden chain, spread the pain. But me no bow, me nah crawl. Me hear Jah call, lion heart within me chest, me manifest. Me see the sufferer in a street, no shoes pon feet. Them cry for mercy, cry for bread, still them tread. Me share me herb, me share me song, right the wrong. Me chant for justice, chant for peace, Babylon cease. Yeah, lion of truth, stand firm and strong, right every wrong. Roar for the people, roar for the land. By Jah hand, lion of truth, never fade. Righteous made, guard the weak, lift the poor. Forevermore, me walk through fire yet me cool. Love me rule, me teach the youth fi know them worth. Rise from earth, them call me rebel, call me wild, but Jah child, lion spirit guide me to one. Me no alone, me hear the drums from long ago, still them flow. Ancestral power in me blood like river flood. Them chains can't hold no more. Freedom door, lion roar through storm and flame. In Jah name, me no fear no king no crown. Them tumble down, truth like fire can't hide, it reside. Me roar for justice, roar for love, send message above. Every roar a sacred call, unite we all. Yo, lion of truth, stand firm and strong, right every wrong. Roar for the people, roar for the land. By Jah hand, lion of truth, never feared. Righteous made, guard the weak, lift the poor. Forevermore.
Lion of truth, roar again. Wash the pen, freedom echo through the plain. Break the chain, me rest me mind in Jordan. Peace again, when the world forget the way, me still pray. Lion of truth, roar eternal flame. All in your name.